Yes, hello, how are you? This is the one and only Mentor Missy. So, to save on time, I just want to show you how you're going to save, copying, and saving your templates. Templates, these are the long messages that you normally use when it comes to prospecting, because you will never waste time on typing all this information when you want to send this message to a prospect or to your downline or anyone else that you want to send this information to. So what do? We normally have some long messages designed powerful professional templates, and we're supposed to use these templates when you are prospecting. Do not just use your own words. These are designed, approved, and professional templates by the company leaders. So use these templates. So how exactly do you pin these templates into your keyboard, and how exactly do you send and creating shortcuts to save on time when you are sending these templates? So number one, you have to make sure that you have got an application, and this application is called the Microsoft Swift Keyboard. I'll show you where you can get it. Just go to your Play Store. You go to your Play Store. When you are on your Play Store, go and search Microsoft Swift Keyboard. So there are two. We have got the Microsoft Swiftkey keyboard, and then we have the one that you are seeing here. It is called Microsoft Swiftkey Beta. So when you have this application, the next thing is going to open it. Then after opening it, you go and enable the Swift keyboard, and then go to the second option, clicking on select the Swift keyboard. And there we go. You're going to have your own Microsoft Swift keyboard set as your keyboard to be used at that particular time. So when you have that Microsoft Swift keyboard selected, now you go to where you have received these templates. For instance, there's a template I've received here from someone, and I'm supposed now to make sure that I key in this keyboard, this template. I make sure that I save it and pin it, so that next time I want to send it to a prospect when I'm doing an invitation, when I'm prospecting, probably on Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, whatever, I have to make sure that I'm saving time on this. So number one, the first thing is to make sure that I copy this template, because if I don't copy it, it is not going to be added in my keyboard. So as you can see here, the keyboard I'm using here, it has been selected to be the Microsoft Swift keyboard. This is how it is going to look like. So I'm going to long press the template, and then you are going to copy it. If you don't know how to copy, when you long press the template, when you check on your first option, the three dots, and the second option is the forwarding option, the third option where you are seeing two squares, I can call them mirrors, they refer to copy. This is when you are using probably WhatsApp Business or the WhatsApp the WhatsApp PO, WhatsApp GB. They normally have this option. If you are using the WhatsApp Messenger, when you long press the message, you're going to see the copy option at your three dots. The three dots, we refer to them as menu. So when you copy it, this message is going to be added to something called a clipboard. So where do you get the clipboard? Go to your keyboard here, whatever you are seeing here, on this last option from your right, it is the three dots. Then we have now the second option of info, we have the third option, then the box you are seeing at the center there, that is what we call the clipboard. That is what we call the clip. Now when you click on the box at the center, that is the clipboard, you're going to see that template there. So this is the template that is saying hello, greetings, and the template is saying I am Diana Mutheo. Now I am not Diana. I'm supposed to change this information to make sure that it is mine. So what I'm going to do, you click on your settings of your clipboard. When you check on that clipboard, at the end from your right, that is the settings. So tap there. Now when you tap there, you're going to tap the template that you want to edit the information. So for instance, this one. So I'm going to edit it here. So I'm going to remove Diana Mutheo. Now I write my name, because that is exactly what the template should be having. So I write my name. After that, now there's an option called the shortcut. So I'm going to take the cursor at the shortcut, which is optional, but I will advise you to create shortcuts, because shortcuts are going to save your time when you are prospecting and inviting. So this is a template. This template, it is going to be used on WhatsApp. It's going to be used on WhatsApp invitation. So make sure that you create a shortcut that you are going to remember when you are prospecting. So for instance, on WhatsApp, I'll definitely choose to make it probably W1. If the shortcut has already been used in a certain template, you are going to get that notification that this shortcut is already used, because I'm already having templates that are having the W1 shortcut. Okay, so probably this is your second WhatsApp. You're going to choose W2, WW1 or WW2 or WWW3. It depends on how many types of invitation messages do you have. So for instance, if I choose just W, that is a shortcut, so I can choose W, or but if it is WhatsApp, I will advise you to use the W to refer WhatsApp, like W1, W2, W3, W4. Okay, so and then you click on save. So there we go, you have saved the shortcut, but you have not pinned this template. If you don't pin this template is going to disappear after some time. So what do? You make sure that you pin it. Where you are seeing where the pin is, tap it. That is how you have pinned. Now when I go back to my WhatsApp, if I want to send a message to someone, I do not have to type. So I go to my clipboard and type what? W. When I type W, that template is going to be brought at the center of my keyboard. So I tap it there and then I do what? I send. So that is exactly how you copy, saving, creating shortcuts, and pinning a template that is going to assist you when you are prospecting, inviting, and sending these long messages to your prospects. I wish you all the best. See you at the top.